you add this technical indicator. We go into the settings to make a few changes. You delete 40 and you type in 50. On the chart, you have a very effective indicator that will give you buy signals and will also give you sell signals. To improve the results of this strategy, we're going to use another indicator. You replace 14 with 21. We're going to make the 50% RSI line much more visible because we'll use it for this strategy, and we can confirm when prices are above the 50% zone, the market's bullish, and when prices are below the 50% zone, the market's bearish. For this strategy, we'll use the breakouts of the 50% RSI zone, whether to the upside or the downside. I'm on gold on the 5-minute time frame, and I'm going to fully explain the scalping strategy I'm sharing with you today. We let the candlesticks play out and wait for a signal from the technical indicator. You see that the market for now is bullish. And we suddenly have a bearish signal here. The technical indicator here is simple to understand. When the market is above the green cloud, it's bullish. And when the market goes below, breaks this green cloud to the downside, it becomes potentially bearish. That's why the technical indicator gives us a sell signal. To confirm this sell signal, we're going to look at the RSI. And for now, the RSI, as you can see, is still at the 50% level. So according to the RSI, the market, for now, remains bullish. That's why I'm waiting a bit before selling. Even if the signal is given by the indicator, I absolutely want the RSI to go below 50%. So we wait, and we can see here that the market has just broken 50% to the downside. It's very slight, I'll grant you, but it's enough to confirm the sell signal from the technical indicator. So we're going to sell at the close of this 5-minute bearish candle. We put the stop loss just above the red cloud and aim for a risk reward of 2. Then you have to be patient until the market reaches your target or your stop loss. We can see that on the RSI, the market has indeed gone below the 50% zone, and we've just reached the target here. So for now, the market is bearish since it's under the red cloud and it's below the 50% RSI zone. We'll let the candlesticks play out, being patient until the next signal from the technical indicator. We can see together that the technical indicator has just given a buy signal. We can also see that the RSI has just broken its 50% zone to the upside. So you have all the factors coming together to take this buy as soon as the indicator signals. We set the stop loss below the green cloud and, as before, aim for a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio. By having a good risk-reward ratio, you can afford to miss a few trades. For example, out of 10 trades, you only need to win 5 to start being profitable. On this trade here, if I risk $50 on the stop loss, it's to gain at least $100 if the market hits the target. Once the decision is made, you must stick to your plan and just be patient. The market has just reached the target. That's a second consecutive winning trade. I'll let the market run until the next technical indicator signal, and we can see it's just been given here. A sell signal, the green cloud is turning into a red cloud. You have the moving average crossover, you have the sell signal, and here on the RSI, you have the bearish break of the 50% level. Everything is lined up once again to take this short trade because we expect the market to then stay below the 50% RSI level and move under the red cloud in the downtrend. We set the entry price here, place the stop loss above this wick, and aim for a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio as you've gathered. I'll let the candlesticks play out.